Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. The other day when I was out under that water oak tree and I was showing you how to use fungus to, I believe that's the one where I used the reading glasses to ignite it. When I was gathering up sticks to put on that fire, I picked this up, and this is a very old, completely dried out piece of winter creeper. Now you're going to see all of those grippers on there, hairy vines, and say that this is poison ivy, but it is not. Let's go ahead and see if we get a hand drill ember out of this. This is a Yucca spindle. It's about 13 inches long on winter creeper. Let's go for the burn-in. Looking good so far. Let me get the saw. It split off right there. Wonder if I could save that. I think we can save it. I'll show you what that divot looks like when we get done. Let's make up some pine needles dust. That worked out great for a fireboard. Highly degraded winter creeper. But we were able to save it after this half of it split off, didn't we? It's time to mow the filming studio again. So I'll show you some, about 45 seconds of that all sped up. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in the drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.